meron na naman tayong problem dito na lumabas noong November 2025 under MSTHC. So, itong problem nito is para siyang under PSAD, pero lumabas ito sa MSTHC noong November 2025. So, ito yung problem, guys. If 10 kilograms is the maximum mass M that a person can hold in a hand with the arm is positioned in 120 degrees angle at the elbow as shown in the figure, what is the maximum force that the bicep muscle exerts on the forearm, neglecting the weight of the forearm in the hand, and that the biceps muscle attaches 5 centimeters from the elbow? So, ano na yung maximum force ng biceps na ina-exert sa forearm? So, ito yung figure, guys. Ganito yung lumabas noong November 2025 MSTHC. So, if mag-draw tayo dito ng free body diagram, ganyan. So, alam natin na ito is 120 degrees. And then, so ito, titira dito is 60 degrees. And ang sabi sa problem is, yung forearm daw is attached 5 centimeters from the elbow. So, ito yung elbow. So, 5 centimeters from that is here. So, dito lalabas yung force ng biceps papuntang forearm. Ito yung Fy. And ito naman yung Fx. So, ang gagawin na lang natin dito is magsasum up tayo ng moment dito sa elbow. Okay? So, alam natin na ang Fy is just equal to F sine 60. So, if mag-sum up tayo ng moment sa elbow, that should be equal to 0. So, 0 is equal to Fy, which is F sine 60. Ang moment arm niya naman niya is 0.05 meters. And then, yung 10 kilograms na hinahawakan niya, convert natin into newtons, multiply natin ng 9.81. And then, yung moment arm naman ng 10 kilograms is 0.35 meters. And by solving that, makukuha natin yung F na equal to 792.933 newtons. And sa choices, ito ay letter B. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple sa board exam, guys. And I hope meron kayong natutunan. Bye-bye!